What's the meaning of corselette? Corselette. Corselette.
Corselette. Corselette. A corselette is a type of women's undergarment that combines a bra with a girdle. It typically has straps over the shoulders and extends down to the waist or hips, smoothing and shaping the torso. The garment can provide support and enhance the appearance of the bust and waistline. Corselettes are often worn as lingerie or foundation garments to create a streamlined silhouette under clothing. They can be made from a variety of materials, including lace, satin, and mesh, and may feature embellishments such as embroidery or bows.